Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, we are so clearly in an uptrend. It kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could just be a subdivision of a much, much larger uptrend, which is actually pretty likely. Either way, the trend is up. And when the trend is up and there's no engulfing down, there's no breaker structure down, to me, there's really no reason whatsoever to go down to the sort of time frames and do anything but look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday, I was talking about how if we did get a nice solid break of structure, it could be a nice short. But the way this price action is, it's very sideways, very corrective looking. It is not an impulsive move down with a nice break of structure, which is what you would expect to see if it was a real turn to the downside. So with the sideways corrective action and with the higher time frames definitely still being in an uptrend, I personally am definitely still looking for long opportunities. If I see some sort of a three-way pullback, if I see some sort of a nice impulsive move to the upside, I definitely will continue to look for longs at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.